Namaste, I am Tejaswini and welcome to Astrology and Dharma. In Vedic Dharma, we have to use natural materials in our puja. We cannot use artificial man-made materials. And the most common material which we need in our pujas is natural soil. And most of us do not even know where to get this most essential item from. The purest soil that you can ever get is from the termitaria, the houses of the termites. Termites are very common in the tropical and the temperate forest or in sal forests. In healthy forests, these insects build a huge number of termitaria. But you cannot take the soil from an active termitaria. You just cannot break off their homes. There are strict rules. The most common use of this termitaria soil is in making a Parthiv Shivlingam for pujas. This lingam is called the Parthiv because it is created using soil, Pruthvi. Pujas of Bhagwan Shankar like Rudrabhishek, if performed on such a Parthiv Shivlingam, generate a very high level of power. Do perform such pujas every month on the Masik Shivratri or at least every year on the Mahashivratri night or during the Shravan month on the Mondays. Then this termitaria soil is also used to create a murti of the Nag Devatas for Nag Panchami day on Shravan Shukla Panchami. We also use this termitorium soil to create a murti of Devi Hartalika for her pujas on Bhadrapad Shukla Tritiya and to create a murti of the Devi for the Mangala Gauri pujas on the Tuesdays of Shravan month. This soil is the perfect material to create the murtis of Bhagwan Ganpati for Bhadrapad Shukla Chaturthi pujas. And during Diwali, some of us do pujas of Devi Lakshmi and her murti is then also created out of this termitaria soil. If you ever come across an abundant termitorium, then you can harvest a bit of this incredibly pure soil for your pujas. But the rules are that first you have to ensure that the termites have abandoned it. Do not take any soil from an active termitorium. If you break their homes, your home will break too. And the second is you have to do this yourself. You cannot buy this soil in the market. And as you break off a piece with your own hands, do thank the insects for this precious energy gift. This soil is a living energy, auspicious and pure. It has the highest capacity to absorb the mantra recited over it and it has the highest ability to reflect their power back to you. It is a solid, stable energy and the results of pujas using this soil will give similarly solid results which will act as a foundation for several auspicious things in your life. And when you use the termitaria soil to make the murtis, you can use turmeric, vermilion, saffron and bhasma to add color to the murti and then do its pujas and see the difference. And after doing the pujas, this murti or this lingam is put in flowing water. Its visarjan is done. Visarjan means to expand, to amplify, to intensify, to diffuse and to spread all over. It is creation done in a very special way. So when you immerse such an energy charged murti in the water, the energy of the mantra is released into the water and it gets endlessly amplified. Water is the repository, it is the collective memory of everything that gets deposited into it. So when such a Parthiv murti is deposited into the water, its basic auspiciousness and the power of the mantra recited over it, the pujas done over it and the pure intention of the devotees all merge into the water of that area. And this increases the overall auspiciousness of that water and eventually that land. And we also get this power when we eat the food produced from this land and drink the water from these water bodies. Vedic Dharma means that you have to complete the energy cycles, return the energy back to the soil and water in gratitude. Dharma is inbuilt in our way of life. And in fact, the Nag Panchami pujas, the Vat Savitri pujas, the Hartalika pujas are all supposed to be done on site in the natural areas where the living energy of the actual forest powers on your mantras. There are no superstitions in Vedic Dharma. Dharma is a complete awareness of the energy dynamics and the intelligent intentions which power us all. And this is why it is called the eternal foundation. Thank you for watching. Namaste.